look at these stupid humans.
You fools.
Look at them.
You annihilated your entire species.
You kids enjoy this, coming to this rubble. This used to be called Earth. This is an educational trip. I'm sorry you cannot go to 16 flags over glop glop. Man, I hate it here.
It sucks. I want chicken fingers.
Zorkenborg, get your tentacles off that picture. Over here, this is the Desus and Mero exhibit.
Oh, wow.
I hate them guys. Shut your mouth.
Shut your mouth. That was classic.
Strong.
Change the course of comedy forever.
Somebody suck that baby dick. That's what they came to Earth for.
The little aliens are like, yo, we don't know what that means.
A big UFO lands. They're like, what do you want? They're like, what is a baby dick?
What is a baby dick?
It's like a whole civilization that's just based off of Cuba Gooding Jr. movies.
He's their messiah? They come back to get that nigga like, yo.
Give us the Cuba.
Give us
the Cuba.
Cuba.
Cuba de Fuego. Cuba de Fuego.
Cuba Libre. Cuba Libre.
On our country is nothing on our planet is allowed. It's nothing but devastation. For many years, the radios have been fighting with these snow dogs. I was like, how do you have a whole planet of
Cuba Gooding Jr. references? What the fuck is this?
I was like, what is the name of the planet? Cuba? They're like, no,
it's stupid. That's
it's
a country.
called Show Me the Money. I'm like, that's a stupid name for a planet. That's a stupid name for a planet. You people are stupid.
Yeah, dumb. Fuck out of here. What's the president's name? Jerry Maguire.
Please, everyone, be quiet. Be quiet. We are going to play our national anthem.
Somebody suck that baby's dick! Somebody suck that baby's dick!
Niggas got 4 tentacles over their hearts and shit.
They played that to Olympics. Oh, shit. Then he's got a fucking statue of Cuba Gooding Jr. in front of that government building with the picture of him with the chicken hat. That's like what they wear for their proceedings and shit. You in court, they're like, you have been charged guilty in the court of Cuba.
You are sentenced to years in prison.
You are sentenced to 40 shots of Jägermeister.